In the realm of landscape design, a well-manicured garden serves as a sanctuary for both the senses and the spirit. Our featured garden exemplifies this concept through its thoughtfully curated circular arrangement of diverse shrubs and small trees, which are artfully centered around a prominent, large rock. This focal point not only adds a touch of natural elegance, but also enhances the tranquil ambiance of the space. The garden is bordered by a meticulously laid stone path, inviting visitors to wander and explore its serene beauty. Each step along the path provides an opportunity to appreciate the harmonious interplay between the lush greenery and the earthy tones of the stones. The craftsmanship of the stonework reflects a commitment to quality, ensuring durability while enhancing the overall aesthetic of the garden. Further enriching this outdoor oasis is the tall brick and stone wall that encircles the garden. This feature serves multiple purposes. It provides privacy and a sense of enclosure, while simultaneously contrasting with the soft textures of the shrubs and trees. The combination of brick and stone not only complements the natural elements, but also adds depth and character to the landscape. In summary, this serene garden oasis is a masterful fusion of circular shrub arrangements and stone pathways, creating a harmonious environment that invites relaxation and reflection. The careful selection of materials and plant life reflects a professional approach to garden design, ensuring that each element contributes to the overall tranquility and beauty of the space.